Papa runway 28, report established inbound.
Direct AVEP, clear pilot, Papa runway 28, Wilco Capricorn 795.
Albert 221, direct to Tixum, distance 6,000 feet, QNH 1013, cleared Alice, Papa 28.
Direct Tixum descending 6,000 feet by QNH 1013, Albert 221.
9 Delta Hotel 10 to run number 1, confirm established.
Execute.
9 Delta Hotel, normal speed, Bergamo Tower 125875, buonasera.
Buonasera.
Albert 221, just to confirm, proceed to Tixum direct.
Direct Tixum, yes, and Albert 221.
Taro 2044, continue descent 5,000 feet, 1013.
5,000 feet, 1013, Taro 2044.
Cabin ready.
Taro 1704, speed 230 knots, minimum clean.
Speed 230, Taro 1704. Capricorn 75, established inbound AVEP.
Roger, report fully established inbound ILS, Capricorn 75.
Capricorn 75.
Okay.
So, QNH 1013 set, crossing 11,350, descending
Milano
6,000.
Bongiorno, Ryanair 2 X-ray Quebec, passing 2,600, legal 1 Papa.
Frequency
Today, Ryan
1087.
2 Quebec, Milano radar
Checked.
contact, climb flight level 80,
Not my
free
side.
speed.
Identification.
Climbing level 80, free speed, Ryanair 2 X-ray Quebec.
Some nice icing.
Radar Austin 525, approaching 150.
On the wings.
Ciao Austrian 525, Milano radar contact.
Okay, my side. India Bravo Romeo identified.
QNH in
Standby
Binate
altimeter
1013.
set. Courses 282 checked. Is completed. Altimeters.
Ryan 2 Quebec.
QNH 1013 set.
Quebec.
Approach check is completed.
Direct to Oscar, free speed.
Altimeters.
0.
Check hotel 1.
Climbing level 160 and left turn inbound Oscar, free speed, Ryanair 2
Flight level
X-ray
100
Quebec.
checked.
Taro 1704, descend 6,000 feet, 1013.
6,000, 1013, Taro 1704.
Capricorn 75, speed 160 knots.
Speed 160, clear established, Capricorn 75.
Roger, 10 to run, preceding short final, medium traffic, tower on 125875, goodbye.
125875, Marcelata, Capricorn 75.
You too. Austrian 525, track miles 50, speed 230 knots.
Speed 230, Austrian 525, Roger.
Yes, 230 speed.
Speed 230 knots, Austrian 525. Milano, buonasera, Air Italia 8765, just 7, passing 1700, climbing 4000.
Buonasera anche a voi, Air Italia 765, Milano radar contact, climb flight level 190, free speed.
Continue climb level 190, free speed, Air Italia 8765, grazie.
Air Italia 765, proceed direct ECPAL.
Direct ECPAL, Air Italia 8765.
Guitarro 2044, now descend 3000, QNH 1013, clear LS Zulu 35, report established.
3000, clear Zulu 35, Tarot 2044.
We now set.
Check. Speed 240.
Speed reduction.
Taro 2044, we observe unknown traffic, you're 11 o'clock, 2 miles, slow moving, same direction, the localizer, no details, maybe a VFR, no Charlie. Do you have it inside?
We check it out, we are VFC, completely VFC.
Okay, now 11 o'clock, 1.0
Engine on
miles.
tail off.
Off, please.
Dovrei riuscire a vederlo, fammi vedere un attimo.
Almost 9 o'clock, slow moving, maybe low.
Check.
Number 221, ready for lower.
Or maybe not.
221, fully clear as Papa 28, so further descent according to the procedure, report established inbound.
Copy, clear file, let's approach Papa 28, call you inbound, number 221.
Okay, according procedure.
Yeah. 3000.
Так, 6000 above.
Yeah.
Next 4000. Agree?
Yeah.
Ryan 2X-ray Quebec, continue climb level 200-200 and contact Milano 127450. Ciao.
127-450 and climbing level 200, Ryanair 2 X-ray Quebec.
Tixum.
Taro 1704, free speed, now towers doesn't need
Flaps
separation,
one,
free speed, descent 3000,
Speed check.
QNH 1013, clear LS Zulu 35.
Copy the free speed, descent 3000, clear the less Zulu 35, Taro 1704.
Australia 525,
Next 4000
top
above.
descent 5000 feet, QNH 1013.
Recleared 5000 feet on the QNH
Flaps all set.
1013
We
or
are cleared. Yes.
Guitarro 2044, 8 to run, number 1, confirm established.
Yes, fully established, Taro 2044.
It's altitude
2044,
3400.
tower 1181, ciao.
81 2044, ragazzi.
Так, tailwind. Flaps 5, please.
Speed check.
Australia 525, right, heading 260.
Flaps 5 set.
Direct at full approach. Warlock set.
Check.
Так,
Number 794 and 8 Yaki, descent level 2 on the Moxie.
Checked.
Ciao Ren, for
flaps 10?
Yankee, Milano
Flaps 10,
radar
please.
contact, proceed direct to Tixum, free speed, becoming shortly, now number 2, but no delay, information November.
Tixum free speed, becoming number 2, November Boeing 4 Yankee.
Ryan, for 98 Yankee, descent level 100.
Flaps 10 set.
Descent level 100, 4 8 Yankee.
Next
Australia
3000.
525, right heading 330, descent 3000 feet, clear LS Zulu, runway 35.
Right heading 330, descending 3000.
Rollout captured.
Runway 35. Austrian
282 set.
5 to 5.
Checked.
Number 221, turning inbound.
221, 10 to run, number 1, tower 125875, ciao.
125875, ciao, number 221.
Approach 1, yeah. 125.
Approach set, glide slope capture. For missed
4000.
4000.
Runner 981 tower identified, Milano 126.3, ciao. 163 and 981, ciao.
Milano Tower, number 221, final runway 28.
Melbourne 221 tower low, continue the approach runway 28, wind 330 degrees 5 knots, QNH 1013, departure in progress.
We'll call number 221.
2500.
QNH 1013.
13 checked. Gear down, please.
Fix altitude, 3,000 feet.
With the 33
Check.
Papa November, runway 28, cleared for takeoff, wind 320 degrees,
Flaps
6
15
knots,
sets.
traffic 6 miles out.
Left takeoff to 8, was that 3 Papa November.
Flaps 30, please.
Speed check.
November 221, when on the ground, please vacate via Alpha Charlie, thank you.
Copy.
Where all for? Okay.
Alpha Charlie, so sharp turn.
Understood.
Because there is some traffic on the way.
Landing check this, please.
Landing.
30, please.
Oh, sorry. Flaps 30, set. Landing checklist. Engine set switches.
Continuous.
Speed brake.
Runway lights.
Landing gear.
Down 3.
Flaps.
30.
Green light. Landing checklist completed.
Thank you very much.
Alberta to 4 tower, runway 28, wind 340 degrees, 5 knots, clear to land.
Copy, clear to land, runway 21. Orio, buongiorno, l'India Romeo Juliet al Hotel Ems.
Так,
India Romeo Juliet al Hotel, velatore, buon pomeriggio.
Ciao, dal Papa Giovanni rientriamo a Montichiari, via Chisalba, Rovato e se possibile 2000 piedi.
Check.
Ricevuto India Romeo Juliet, Alfa Hotel, inizialmente bassa quota, direzione sud, traffico strumentale 2 miglia, in finale 28, la richiamo poi a brevissimo per procedere diretto per Rovato, il QNH 1013.
1013, siamo 6 a bordo, grazie, bassa quota fino a Chisalba.
$500.
Checked.
$400.
Was that 33 Papa November reaching 6000?
With the 33 Papa November,
Approaching minimums.
Milano,
Checked.
126, decimal 3.
63 was that?
300.
Minimums.
Minimums.
Continue.
200. 100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
Speed brake up. Reverse is normal.
Runway 395 Lima, line up and wait, runway 28.
Line up and wait, runway 395 low.
Alpha Charlie.
Nelport 221, left Alpha Charlie.
60 knots.
One to the left, then contact the ground 10505. Ciao.
To the left, Alpha Charlie, then contact ground 120505, number 221.
Auto brake disarm. 120.
Okay, ground hello, number 221, Alpha Charlie.
Albert 221, buongiorno, standard 212.
Stand 212, number 221.
Тут так, Alpha Charlie.
Clear right.
212. Есть, check, please. Автолейбл yes. Так, 211, next 212 should be.
Yes, to the right.
Start APU.
Started. Clear right, marshal in place.
Super. Lights off, please.
Albert 221 is 212, it's correct.
Thank you. Request taxi generate total mic.
Penalty, total mic, taxi 13 point alpha alpha, rank west.
20 point alpha alpha 28, generate total mic.
After landing procedure completed.
Super set.